Okay guys, today we're going to be looking at multiples and what they are and how to find them. Alright, so multiples is formed by multiplying a given number by the counting numbers. So the counting numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. So any given number, so if I'm looking for the multiples of 4, the given number would be 4. If I'm looking for the multiples of 3, the given number would be 3. And then just multiply those by the counting numbers. So here's some examples of the ones of multiples of 4. So you got the first multiple of 4 is 4 times 1 is 4. Second one, 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 5 is 20. And 4 times 6 is 24. Of course, you could keep going. There's an unlimited number of multiples just because there's the numbers, because numbers go on and on and on. So your multiples of 4 are the given number, and then times your counting numbers. So these would be the first six multiples of 4. So they are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 40, 44, and so on. All right. So what are the first 5 multiples of 13? So you do 13 times 1 is 13, 13 times 2 is 26, 13 times 3 is 39, 13 times 4 is 52, 13 times 5 is 65. So the first 5 multiples of 13 are 13, 26, 39, 52, and 65. All right, so bring these in tomorrow. I guess you can't bring them in. Bring these in tomorrow. So fill in the blanks. So go ahead and just copy this down and bring it in tomorrow whenever, and make sure that you filled into the blanks. So the first one is looking at your multiples of 6. So 6 times 1 is 6, 6 times 2 is 12, 6 times 3 is 18, and then fill in the last 2, and then fill in the blanks for the next ones. Looks like you could use a little bit of your relationships and patterns and relationships that we just got finished looking at for this one. All right, so bring this in tomorrow. See y'all later.